everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into HDFC home loan account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser in order to begin. In the address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.hdfc.com and press enter. You'll end up in the main homepage of HDFC. In order to log into your loan account, go ahead and find this existing customer button at the top right hand, which will bring up an expanded menu. Choose the For Home Loans option. And now, to log into your account, click on the customer login link. On the next page, type in your loan account number in the first text field. After you're done, head over to the next field and type in your date of birth information. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Sign Up link and follow the instructions. Finally, after entering your loan account number and your date of birth information, click on the Submit button in order to log into your account. That is how it is done. It is pretty quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.